Want to make your car engine feel like it just rolled off the factory floor? Most people think that once an engine ages, there's no turning back. But what if I told you that's completely wrong? With just a few simple maintenance tricks, many of which mechanics won't tell you, you can bring that tired engine back to life. Whether you've driven 10,000 miles or 100,000 miles, these secret techniques can transform your driving experience. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your engine run like it's brand new again. Number 1. Use high-quality synthetic oil. It's not just hype. Switching to a top-grade synthetic oil can make a huge difference in how your engine performs. Synthetic oil resists breakdown better than conventional oil, maintains better viscosity at extreme temperatures, and offers superior cleaning properties. That means less sludge buildup, better protection for moving parts, and longer engine life. Older engines especially benefit from synthetic blends designed to reduce wear. It's not just hype, it's science-backed lubrication that keeps your engine running smoother for longer. Next up, want to clean your engine from the inside without taking it apart? This next trick does exactly that. Number 2, perform an engine flush the right way. Over time, oil leaves behind deposits that turn into sludge. These nasty buildups clog oil passages and reduce performance. An engine flush uses a cleaning agent added before an oil change to dissolve those deposits. When done correctly, it can restore oil flow, free up sticky lifters, and quiet noisy components. But be careful, not all engines are candidates, especially if sludge is thick. Always consult your manual or mechanic first. Now that your engine's clean, let's protect it with the right air filtration, because dirty air is your engine's silent killer. Number 3, replace the air filter. Regularly, engines need clean air to burn fuel efficiently. A clogged or dirty air filter restricts airflow, causing the engine to work harder and use more fuel. It can also let in dirt that damages cylinder walls and pistons. Replacing the air filter is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to improve engine performance. For most cars, every 12,000 to 15,000 miles is a good rule, so don't overlook it. Ever felt your engine hesitate when accelerating? The next fix might surprise you. Number 4, clean the mass airflow MAF sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering your engine and tells the ECU how much fuel to inject. A dirty MAF sensor sends inaccurate readings, leading to poor fuel economy and sluggish acceleration. Cleaning it takes just a few minutes using MAF sensor cleaner spray, and it can restore throttle response and engine smoothness instantly. But what about fuel delivery? That's where this next secret comes in. Number 5, use fuel injector cleaner, and use it right. Fuel injectors get dirty over time, especially if you use lower quality gasoline. Deposits form on the tips and disrupt spray patterns, reducing power and mileage. Adding a fuel injector cleaner to your gas tank every few thousand miles dissolves these deposits and helps restore performance. Brands like Techron and Seafoam are proven to work. Just follow the label for best results. Feeling the difference already? Wait until you hear what spark plugs can do. Number 6, replace spark plugs and ignition coils. Worn spark plugs cause misfires, rough idling, and poor fuel economy. If your engine feels sluggish or vibrates at idle, this could be the culprit. Replacing old spark plugs and, if needed, ignition coils can instantly smooth out performance and improve fuel efficiency. It's a small investment with a big impact, especially for high-mileage engines. Now let's talk about something drivers often ignore, but it makes your engine purr like new. Number 7, clean or replace the PCV valve. The PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve removes harmful gases from the engine and recirculates them for burning. A clogged PCV valve can cause oil leaks, sludge buildup, and increased fuel consumption. Cleaning or replacing it helps your engine breathe better and run cleaner. It's often overlooked but can make a noticeable difference. Want smoother acceleration and better cold starts? This next trick targets the fuel-air mixture. Number 8, reset the ECU, engine control unit. Your car's ECU adapts over time to your driving habits, but sometimes it learns bad behaviors, like poor fuel mapping or idle issues. Disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes or using a diagnostic tool, resets the ECU, forcing it to relearn optimal performance settings. Combine this with new plugs, filters, or fuel cleaners, and your engine will feel completely rejuvenated. Now let's talk temperature, because heat can silently destroy your engine. Number 9. Flush and refill the coolant system. Old coolant loses its ability to transfer heat and protect against corrosion. A coolant flush removes old fluid and buildup from the radiator and passages, restoring cooling efficiency. This helps prevent overheating, blown gaskets, and warped heads, all engine killers. Do this every 2 to 5 years depending on your car and climate. Think your engine's still not quite right? This final tip ties everything together. Number 10. Maintain proper tire pressure and wheel alignment. Wait, what does tire pressure have to do with engine performance? A lot, actually. Underinflated tires create drag, making your engine work harder and burn more fuel. Misalignment also reduces fuel efficiency and causes uneven wear. Keeping your tires properly inflated and wheels aligned reduces strain on your engine and ensures it performs at its peak. There you go. 10 powerful secrets to make your engine run like new again. These aren't just gimmicks. They're time-tested, mechanic-approved methods that can breathe life back into your vehicle. Which of these tricks have you tried before, and which one are you doing first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other car lovers who want to keep their ride running smooth. This is Car Care Pro, your source for smarter driving and cheaper repairs. See you in the next video, and as always, drive safe and take care of your car.